What's up, guys? It's me, AllDayAliDiB, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, today's video is my Sunday workout routine. This is my workout routine for lower body and legs. I'm sharing with you guys my top 5 moves for burning calories for your lower body, for toning your lower body, and getting your heart rate pumping to get that cardio going. I am going to be featuring in today's video a workout band or a waistband from my homegirl. Her name is Tia. You can find her company's information on Instagram at Master Body Architect or The Body Architect. I'll list all of her information down in the description box below. But yes, I'm featuring her waist trainer. I've had this waist trainer for about 2 weeks now. I've been utilizing it in my total body workouts. I've just been walking around the house with it, cleaning dishes, like while I'm doing house chores. I've been getting it in with this work band. It is easy to use. You see the straps here. They come in different sizes. If you can see, your girl has a waistline. I have officially, since I started like seriously diving into my challenges and my workout, your girl has officially lost 8 pounds. 8 pounds and inches. If you check the thighs and the butt area, even in my calf muscles, I have been toning and getting it in. So I wanted to share this waist trainer and my quick little workout with you guys. So hit the workout with me. Comment down below. Let me know your ideal or goal weight for the 40 days to fitness challenge. This challenge has been going for your girl for about a year or a year and a half. I get motivated, I get pumped, and then fall off. But I have finally been determined to go ahead, get it done, get serious about my health with all of this COVID-19 and coronavirus stuff going around. I encourage each and every one of you, my family, for Instagram, for Facebook, for YouTube, I encourage each and every one of you to get serious about your health. Start taking these things seriously. So knock out this workout routine with me. Give your girl a thumbs up for more workout videos and more workout routines, and I want you guys to stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get into it. Our first move is a simple, easy lounge, however you pronounce it. I simply do 3 sets with 20 reps in each set, basically meaning you do 60 of these, but I do make sure I take breaks like in between each set. And our second move is what I call a tiptoe squat. You basically are going to stand on your tiptoe. This basically works your glutes, your thighs, your calf muscles, your ankles, gives it strength, tones. Perfect workout to tone those calf muscles, ladies. Move number 3 is a simple knee lift. It helps with cardio because you are moving your body, you are moving your arms, you are moving your legs. Just be sure to keep breathing in and out normally. The fourth move is a planked one leg lift balance. So basically what you're going to do is lift each leg 20 times each leg, 3 sets. All right, I can't do the math right quick because I'm out of it today, but you do the math. The next move is a simple donkey kick or leg extension, whichever one you prefer to do. Again, we are doing 20 reps, 3 sets each. Again, that is 60 reps, but remember to take breaks in between at least 10 seconds, all right? And remember to keep your abs pulled in, tucked in, ladies. I am a witness that donkey kicks and leg extensions definitely tone your glutes. I absolutely love this move. You have to try it. And the last and final move is a bonus move, which is jumping jacks. This is basically to hit your cardio. We all know there is no weight loss without adding cardio. So make sure you get your cardio in, ladies. And that is it. We are done. Who can do this? If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. This channel is full of fashion, fitness, food, fun, faith, motivation. Come back on tomorrow and get your motivational Monday video on with me, AllDayAliDiB. With that being said, I love you all and there's nothing you can do about it. Mwah!